come on up.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Lil Cottrell, and I'm a senior paralegal at the District Attorney's Office. Okay. So, have you ever been a victim? It could be something minute as being cut in front of in line. You know, I'm short, I get cut in front of all the time. Or being cut off while you're driving. Most likely, though, you probably got over it within minutes or hours, yes? So imagine being the victim of something more egregious, sexual assault. You have suffered through the trauma itself, and now you have to live the entire ordeal when giving statements to the police while being poked and prodded by nurses and doctors because they have to administer a SART kit, sexual assault rape trauma kit. Then the SART kit goes to the crime lab, put in a queue of many, many, many other SART kits waiting to be processed. And because the crime lab is understaffed, that could take literally months to a year for your SART kit to be processed. Meanwhile, you, the victim, are in a holding pattern because the DA needs the SART kit results in order to move forward with their case. Once it's finally processed, people like myself, legal clerks, legal secretaries, we receive the lab reports, then it now has to go into another queue to be reviewed and redacted. Now bear in mind, your case is not the only case that we're working on, okay? But because the DA's office is understaffed with paralegals, legal secretaries, and clerks, you, the victim, will have to wait again. And then your results are going to go to the DA, who has to review it. So now it's a year later, you can finally proceed, but now you have to come to terms again with reliving this. So with more support staff, we'd have the ability to help the victims move on with their lives, their mental health, and by helping them seek justice through resolving cases in a timely manner. Isn't that the least victims deserve? Thank you.